2025 is here, bringing a new era of groundbreaking graphic design trends ready to shape the future and inspire your creativity. Let's dive into the top transformative trends defining this year. Trend 1. AI-driven design. Artificial intelligence is transforming the way design and art are created, offering fresh approaches for stunning visuals, from generating highly realistic details to creating imaginative compositions. AI opens up endless creative paths. In 2025, AI is more than a tool. It's a creative partner. Designers use it to quickly explore ideas, refine visuals, and experiment with a range of styles. These advancements simplify workflows and allow designers to push boundaries, blending efficiency and creativity in ways we have never seen before. Geometric abstract narratives. In 2025, shapes are more than just design elements, they are telling the story. Bold lines, circles, and patterns come together to create visual narratives that are both meaningful and captivating. These geometric designs strike a perfect balance between simplicity and complexity, giving a unique and modern look to any project. It's just not about aesthetic, it's about making a bold statement while letting the shapes speak for themselves. Number 3. Hyperrealistic 3D presentations. In 2025, 3D design reaches new levels of realism, with companies hiring expert 3D artists to create incredibly detailed product renders. These digital creations are so precise and lifelike that they appear to jump off the screen, giving audience the feeling that they could touch them. Skilled designers are pushing the boundaries of digital design by combining intricate texture and realistic lighting to bring products to life in a way that never been seen before. This trend is transforming product presentations, making them more immersive and captivating than ever. Dynamic gradients. Dynamic gradients are a standout trend in 2025, transforming design with their bold, fluid energy. Designers are using gradient in motion, creating visuals that feel alive and engaging. These moving gradients add excitement and draw the viewer's attention, making them ideal for showcasing brands in a more captivating way. By blending smooth transitions and vibrant effects, these trends introduce a fresh and dynamic approach to modern design, ensuring a lasting impression. Next, blur and distortion. The blur and distortion trends focus on blending colors and creating visuals that are not fully clear, making them look unique and interesting. This style reflects the complexities of life by mixing colors and softening clarity to create visuals that feel diverse, engaging, and emotionally expressive. It brings depth and emotion by using soft edges and unclear forms, giving a dreamy and artistic feel. It's a way for designers to embrace imperfection and create something eye-catching and different, whether for branding, website, or art. Experimental typography remains a key design trend in 2025. Continuing its momentum from last year, designers are taking bold steps to reimagine how letters can look and function. This isn't just about fonts, it's about turning typography into art, with unique distortion, unexpected form, and creative layouts. While it's not a new concept, this year's design takes experimentation further, making typography more expressive and meaningful. It's all about playing with type to create captivating story-driven visuals that stand out. Next, mixed media and experimental collages is one of the most exciting and honestly one of my favorite for 2025. Designers are blending different styles, digital art, photography, hand-drawn elements, and textures to create visually dynamic and unique pieces. The mix of various mediums makes these designs stand out and feel fresh. Mixed media is when designers combine various elements like photos, 3D art, and textures into a polished and cohesive pieces. On the other hand, collages are more about cutting and arranging images, papers, and illustrations in an organic, often raw way. When combined, they allow designers to explore both the digital and analog worlds, making design bold and full of character. Mismatched and Bright. Mismatched and Bright is all about embracing vibrant, contrasting colors and playful mismatched fonts. These trends combine different font styles, sizes, and width often with unexpected color contrasts. Think neon yellows paired with deep purple. It's a quirky aesthetic that's perfect for standing out and catching attention. Designers play with asymmetry, irregular spacing, and bold typography to give design a unique, fun vibe. It's a playful approach that adds personality and charm to any brand. Minimalist maximalism is all about finding balance between simplicity and boldness. This trend pairs clean, minimal design with vibrant, maximalist elements like striking pattern and colors. It's about creating visual impact with carefully curated contrast, bold typography, geometric shapes, and limited color palette that avoid overwhelming the viewer. When done right, it combines boldness and restraint, offering both structure and energy for a fresh and dynamic look. The last one is Retro Meets Modern Age. Retro Meets Modern Age blends nostalgic vintage elements from the past with sleek contemporary design. By combining retro typography, neon colors, and bold pattern with modern touches, these trends create a visually dynamic fusion. It's about bringing the old into the new, creating designs that feel both timeless and fresh. That's all for now. I hope you enjoyed diving into these exciting design trends for 2025. All the links to the design featured in this video are in the description, and you can also explore the following articles for more in-depth trend insights. Stick around for more upcoming design trends videos in the next few days. Keep pushing the boundaries of creativity, and I will see you in the next one.